Alright, today what we're going to do is we're going to replace this section of exhaust pipe. It's had holes, it's got leaks. I think it's leaking from right here. So what I did was I bought a piece of this pipe, 48 inches long. It should be more than adequate. It's a little bit bigger than I needed because some of it didn't have a 2-inch pipe, which what I wanted, so I bought a 2 1/4, so I'll have to flare the ends in a little bit. But first what we need to do is we need to cut this pipe out. So let's start with that, okay? So basically I'm going to use the reciprocating saw to cut this section of pipe out, and then we'll weld in a new section as best we can. Alright, so if you can see, we're going to just recip it down, okay? Let's see what happens. Alright, there's one section. And we'll do the other half. Give me a second. Okay, I got the piece cut out, and now I'm just gonna size the tube that I want to use from here to here. And I think what we're gonna end up doing is I'm going to go here. I'm gonna fit it over here and fill in the bottom half of it, and then we're just gonna cut it to length over here to approximately there, and we're gonna try to make it fit. Okay, so let me cut this to piece, and then we'll bring you back to welding. I got it welded together. I forgot to videotape it while I was welding. They're not pretty, but I was able to actually undo the mounts, and basically I basically took it off the stand like so and moved the stand out of the way so that I can lower the whole thing like this, so I could weld the tops of all the joints and support it this way, so that it actually, I can get it all welded together. And basically all I did was I undid all the little rubber hangers here, and I'll just get them put back on. So hopefully this will solve some of my problems. It's not perfect, but that whole pipe for a 4-foot section was like $12.99, so that's cheaper than getting a whole new section. And hopefully it will hold together. The metal that I cut out looked okay, so we got it welded in even with all the rust on it and all the debris, and we'll get it hung up, and hopefully the exhaust will be a little bit more quieter. So I just want to thank you for subscribing, and thank you for watching the videos. Have a great day. Bye now.